38 hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So let's move on. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So in the previous video, we have learned about that what the meaning of hexadecimal, and we have learned that how to convert a decimal number into a hexadecimal number. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the conversion of hexadecimal into decimal number. So let's move on. Number system. So as we have said that number system has been classified into four categories. These are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. And we have also learned that the decimal number system is going to carry the base, that is 10. Binary number system is going to carry the base, that is 2. Octal number system, that is going to carry the base, that is 8. And we have also learned about the hexadecimal number system. The base of hexadecimal number system is going to carry is 16. Okay. After that, we have learned about the conversion of different number system. That about the decimal number system has been converted into binary number system. Then we have learned the binary number system has been converted into a decimal number system. After then we have learned that the octal number has been converted into binary number. Binary number has been converted into an octal number. And in the same process we have learned that the decimal is converted into an octal number and octal number is converted into a decimal number. Okay, now in this process we are just going to learn about that how to convert a hexadecimal number into a decimal number. Okay, so in this video we will learn about that how to convert a hexadecimal number into a decimal number system. So let's look at hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So we have a question that how to convert a hexadecimal into a decimal number. Okay, so here you are seeing that we have a question that I have to convert this hexadecimal number because the base of hexadecimal number is 16 here. Therefore, this is a hexadecimal number system. Okay, and its range is between 0 to 9 and from A to F. Therefore, we can say this is a hexadecimal number system. Okay, so I have to convert a hexadecimal number system into a decimal number system. So how we will proceed? How we will convert a value which is a hexadecimal number and we have to convert it into a decimal number. So how we will move it or how we will convert it? So let's look at that how we will proceed it. So there is a simple logic of understanding. As we have studied from the hexadecimal that the base of hexadecimal is going to be 16. Okay. So actually what is happening here is that we have to convert the hexadecimal number. Here you are seeing this is a hexadecimal number and we have to convert it into a decimal number. So here you are seeing that this is a hexadecimal number system whose base is 16 and I have to convert this hexadecimal number system into a decimal number system, and we know that the base of decimal number system is going to carry is that 10. Okay, so I have to convert this hexadecimal number system into a decimal number system. So for this you have to use simple funda, or we can say rule. So here it is, you have to multiply with the base of hexadecimal number. Okay, you have to multiply with this value with the base of hexadecimal number system, that is 16, and with the power, that is 1. Or we can say, if you wanted to convert a hexadecimal number system into a decimal number system, then you have to perform some of the thing, and the rule is saying us that when you wanted to convert a hexadecimal number system into a decimal number system, then you need to perform following rules, and that is saying that you have to multiply this value with the base of hexadecimal number system, and its power is going to be the index of this value. Okay, so for example, I am just elaborating this question for better understanding of how to convert a hexadecimal into a decimal number. So here you are seeing that I have a hexadecimal value, or we can say number, and I have to convert it into a decimal number. So you must have to follow a rule, and that is saying that for the conversion of hexadecimal number into a decimal number, you have to multiply it with the base of hexadecimal number, that is 16, and with the power which is following this value. Okay, with the power of index number of this value. Okay, so what here I am doing is that this value is f here, and I have to multiply it with the base of hexadecimal number system, that is 16 here, and whose power is going to be the index of this value. So here you are seeing that the index of this value f is 0. Okay, and this value is what? Value index. Okay, I can say that the index number starts from 0. Okay, the index of anything in C language is going to be started from 0. So the index of this f is 0 here, and the index of this 1 is 1 here. So what I have to perform here is that I have to multiply the base of hexadecimal number with this value, and the base of hexadecimal number system should have a power that is going to be the index of this value. That is going to be the index of this value. So here I am multiplying f into the base of hexadecimal number system, and we know that the base of hexadecimal number system is 16 with the power containing the index of this value, that is 0. Okay. After that I have to add this value with the index of this value, that is 1 here. Okay, so here so here you are thinking about the value, that is 1 multiplied with the base of hexadecimal number system, and its power is going to be the value, or we can say the index of this value, the index of this value. Okay, so here I am multiplying the value with the base of hexadecimal number system, that is 16, and whose power is the index of this value. Okay, so 1 multiplied with 16 to the power 1 is actually 16, plus f multiplied with the 16 to the power 0. So something to the power 0 is 1 actually. So we have to multiply f with 1, that is going to give us f. And we know the value of f in hexadecimal number is 15. Okay, 15 it is. Okay, so 16 plus 15 is going to be 31. So this is exactly what I am talking, that is the 31 whole base 10. So here the base is 10, therefore it is a decimal number. So actually I have converted my hexadecimal number into a decimal number. So this is how you can convert a hexadecimal number system, or you can say number, into a decimal number. So you have to follow a rule, and that rule is saying us you have to multiply the value, you have to multiply that value, okay, this value with the base of a hexadecimal number system, that is 16, and this 16 contains some of the power here, and that power is going to be the index number of this value. And proceeding the same with this value, you will get the decimal. Okay, so finally I can say that hexadecimal number system has been converted into a decimal number system. So this is how you can convert a hexadecimal number into a decimal number. So moving on, the another example that how to convert a hexadecimal number into a decimal number. Okay, so here you are seeing I have uses the fraction value, you can say. This is the hexadecimal fraction value, you can say, because there is the decimal point here. So you need to approach the same rule that I have talked earlier. And what rule was that? You have to multiply it with the base of, okay, it with the base of hexadecimal number, and we know that the base of hexadecimal number is 16. Okay, so what I am doing here is that following the same rule that I have told earlier in the conversion of, we can say, this section, that I have to convert this value into a decimal value. So how we will proceed it? So you have to follow the same things. And so here I have multiplied the value that is 2 here with the base of hexadecimal number system, that is 16 here, and because this number is going to carry the index number 1 here, therefore I am multiplying it with the 16 to the power 1 here actually. So after that I have added these things to the second term, that is d. So multiplying d with the 16 to the power 0. So d is going to carry the index 0 here, and 2 is going to carry the index that is 1 here, and c is going to carry the index minus 1 here, because it is, we can say, left of this decimal point. Because c is left of this decimal point, so it is present in the negative number, or we can say negative index here, because this is 0 index, this is 1 index, we can say, and this is minus 1 index. Therefore I can say that 2 multiply with the 16 to the power 1 is actually 16 multiply with 2, that is going to be 32. Okay, after that I have multiplied d with the 16, and 16 to the power 0 is going to be 1 here. So 16 to the power 0 is 1, so d multiply with the 16 is going to carry what? D, and the value of d in hexadecimal is 30. Okay, after that I have used the concept of decimal point, that is I am going to multiply the value c with 16 to the power minus 1. So 16 to the power minus 1 is something like 1 by 16. Okay, 1 by 16, and we know that we have to multiply it with the c value. Okay, we have to multiply it with the c. So here 12 divided by 16, that is going to carry us this value, that is the fractional value, or we can say decimal value, that is 45.75 whole base 10. So this is how you can convert a hexadecimal number, okay, a hexadecimal number into a decimal number. So you have to follow this rule for the calculation, or we can say the conversion process of a hexadecimal into a decimal number. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.